Hi everyone, my name is Joe Dale. I'm an independent languages consultant and I'm working at the moment with gallery teachers on their Masterclass series. This Masterclass is all around Flipgrid. If you haven't heard of Flipgrid, it's a free online tool which works on any device. It's owned by Microsoft and it's a really great way of being able to practice speaking listening skills and giving effective feedback using video, text and audio. You create different groups. A group is like a class, and topics. A topic is like a lesson. You can make as many groups and as many topics as you want to. You can set up moderation so that only you get to see the videos that the students produce, or you can set it up so that anybody within a particular topic can see the videos. You need to use a school email address, be it Google or Microsoft, to set up the account and to add your students, but you can add them via username as well for younger learners if you prefer. I'd really encourage you to come along to the Masterclass because it will give you lots of ideas on how you can practice speaking asynchronously online using this free, fantastic tool. See you there.